Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change a language on Poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can see here is the setting option. So here you have to click on setting. When you move on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you can see the additional setting option. So friends, here you have to click on additional setting. Okay, click on the additional setting. When you click on the additional setting, if you want to change your language, the second option here you can see the languages and input. So just click on here languages and input. After you have been click on the languages and input, here is the languages. So click on the languages. Okay, when you move on the languages, from here you can change the languages. If you want to change the language, you just need to click on that language that you are comfortable. Just tap and this language will change successfully. Okay, I just click on the back button. When I click on the back button again, you can see I move on the languages. Okay, when I move on the languages, you can see all the languages can see. So click on the back button and again click on the back button, and here you can see the region option. Just move on region. When you move on the region, from here you can select your country. Okay, which country are you can select from here. Suppose Kenya, or many. Okay, Mexico or New Zealand, Norway. You can select from here. Many country are there. Okay, which country are you belong? If you want to search, you can search from here by just clicking on the search bar also. Okay, and if you want to say, just you need to tap on that country that you are belong. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.